All right, we're good.
They tell you, wear your stripes, walk straight, but you don't know why. Heads down, ears covered, and close your eyes. And when the memories fade, this is our domain, playing tinker toys with time. Destroy it and rebuild it right in front of your eyes, and they won't even realize. They tell you, be afraid, but don't run away. There's no need to run and hide. All of your big brother, not your sister nor your mother, and he will make it all alright. But if you're asking me to betray my love, you know I won't abide. No, I won't abide. No, I won't oblige. If I'm still alive, if I'm still alive.
Well, we did get something done.
No, you got a lot done, yeah.